What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make at least $30 extra per month from your smartphone up to $150. But first, before we get into that, go ahead and hit that like button. Also, hit the subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of the video. And go ahead and ring the bell icon so you can get notified first when I drop videos like this. So, I'm on Google. I just want to show you guys first because I get some comments and sometimes people don't believe certain stuff that they see online. I just went ahead on Google and type in today's date, and I'm going to refresh this so you can see where I'm located at, close to Detroit Shoreway, Cleveland, Ohio, and today's date. As you can see, it just refreshed. So, first, I just want to show you guys this right here. This used to be called GiftHawk. It used to be like a GPT site, but as you can see, you can go ahead and read that, and they just saying that it closed down. So the site I'm going to talk about is the new site here that they have, and it's called Survey Time. As you can see right there, that's the link. But I will put the link in the description for you guys to go ahead and join. But the main thing here is what's bolded right here. You will immediately receive $1 per survey. So that's pretty cool. So if you do at least one survey on your phone or your desktop, computer, tablet, whatever device you have, every day you'll have at least $30. I recommend at least doing 5, so that'd be like $150 per month. So I'm going to show you here. This is the home page right here. Like I said, the link will be in the description. It's called surveytime.io. Just click on it, sign up. They're going to ask you for your information, phone number, and you can opt in to get text directly to your phone. When they have a survey, you just go ahead and knock it out, get $1, and it's instantly straight to your PayPal. Let me exit this out, guys. So I just finished one, so I'm in here into my account, and after you finish one, it's going to look like this. I'm going to hit just rate my experience with the big smiley face right there, then hit submit. That's going to load up. They're going to ask me what do I want to receive as far as my dollar. Amazon, PayPal, or Target they have here. Okay, guys, so they said redeem now. Just hit that button, and you can get Amazon, PayPal, Target. I'm going to go ahead and do the PayPal. And in future, sometime I'll probably do Amazon. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit PayPal. And I'm going to get a confirmation email. And I can just hit that. And then they're going to ask me probably if I want to continue. And you can just keep on going and do the surveys to get $1 per survey. But that's it for me today. I just did 5 of them in a short period of time. And I'm going to show you some payment proof right here. I'm into my PayPal account. As you can see, I did one at 2:30 today. Just did another one at 3:02. As you can see, 3:18, 3:42, and I just did another one. So I'm waiting for that one to come into my PayPal. So let me refresh this for a second here. As you can see here, I just received another payment here. It went through. So I did 5 of them today. So you can see that's payment proof. And It got sent straight to my PayPal. Very easy. But like I said, I'll go ahead and put the link on the description. Just click on it, sign up if you want to get paid $1 instantly to your PayPal for doing a quick survey over and over again. Any questions, comments, concerns, just go ahead and drop a comment below. And till next time, guys, make some money easy. Peace out.